Welcome to jzgraphics. In this video, I will teach you how to make editable shirt mockup in Adobe Photoshop. Let's get it started. First, create a new file with these dimensions. Go to the File menu, Place Embedded, then select your image, and click on Place. Press Alt plus Backspace for background color. Select the shirt layer, go to Select menu and choose Subject. I am using the Quick Selection tool for manual selection. Then press Ctrl plus J for duplicate. Right-click on it and choose Convert to Smart Object. Go to the Image menu, Adjustment and then Levels, or press Ctrl plus L. Use these settings and hit OK. Then save this file. Name it and save. And delete this smart filter. Go to the rectangle shape and create a shape. And apply the color to it. Right-click on it and choose Convert to Smart Object. Right-click again, and create Clipping Mask. Go to the Filter menu, Distort, and Displace. Use these settings, and hit OK. Select this file. And change its blend mode to Multiply. Double-click on it, and you can add the pattern to it. Press Ctrl plus S to save it. Open Blending Options. Go to the underlying layer. Hold the Alt button and break this point. And follow. And it's done. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates.